I almost forgot to read my gratitude list today. I am a grateful child of God. Grateful for your faithfulness. Grateful for your protection. Grateful for the gift of my daughter. Grateful to have self-control. Grateful to praise your holy name. Grateful for the rest that renews me. Grateful for another day sober. Grateful for breath in my lungs. Grateful, all glory to the Most High. Grateful it is over. Thank you, Father in heaven.